What's up, traders? It's Nico, Inefficient Market with 7 Points Capital with today's trader takeaways. Let's jump into it. So on the SPY, this is a daily chart. A decent green day here, and we're kind of holding this range right now, holding this low from the recent sessions, and pressing up a little bit. We'll see. I guess we'll see what Monday has in store, but this week we pretty much held up here. So good on you, SPY. And I guess we could pull up an intraday chart too. Let's check out the 1 minute. Yeah, nice trend. There you go. Nice day. Nice fail here. Sell off, make new lows, kind of do some shakeouts, and then right back. Sell off, but we're maintaining a trend here and push into the close. Although we're giving some back here right now, but let's move on. So my trading for today, not that much going on in pre-market. We had ARQL. I kind of hemmed and hawed over that, checking out the catalyst, why is it up, weighing this, weighing that. But I ended up trading it anyways, just because it was, I wanted to eat today. So I figured I could make something on it, but not high conviction, so not huge size or anything, but pretty nice float on it. So you could use some healthy size on it. So I started my morning off with ARQL. Let's check that out. By the way, if you haven't checked out Stan's recent write-up, I think it was yesterday, maybe the day before, on morning prep, is really good. It's really cool. I got some fresh ideas out of that, and that was really, really cool to check out. So if you haven't, be sure to give that one a read. But yeah, ARQL. So what I saw here off the open was nice. Let's see the daily chart first. So yeah, so this was a big gap up for this chart. Big volume. We're at new highs. I mean, all the longs are comfy, but I guess it becomes more in play of why are we up here? What phase is the news in, and that kind of thing. So if we check out the 1 minute, I'll try and back it up and see what I can see. So this was pre-market action. We gapped up, and before the open, it looks like there's a line here on 9, right? So it looks like we're holding 9, holding 9, holding 9. I assume this is just sterling data errors right here. And so I was looking to play this off 9, and it looks like the range, top of the range is maybe 950. We fail 960s here, we stay under 950, under 950. So that's kind of what I'm playing off of going into the open. And when I get short, I am looking to play off those levels. Now, off the open, you get a lot of emotions, a lot of volume coming into it, and you get some range, and it's very easy to get stopped out. I'm using hard stops now all the time, so it's an adjustment for me still to get used to them. But I am playing off this 9 level, and I got stopped out twice, getting short and pushing up, stopping and getting short. We slam back down, getting short again, thinking that might be it. We're back under VWAP. You get popped back up and stop me out again. But I'm more focused on not the mentality of, okay, I just got stopped out twice. I'm feeling, I don't feel like I'm in tune with this name. I'm not feeling it. I'm still hungry. I'm looking for a trade in here. And just because I get stopped out, that's telling me that I am right on the cusp. I'm stopping out right where that supply is coming in, because each time I get stopped out, it goes right back down. So I'm not looking to give up on this thing. And I want to be respectful. If we start to rip, if we start to rip up past 905s, some volume comes in, 907s, 910s, I want to respect it. And I don't want to get jammed with all the shorts like me that are piling in there on the open. But so that's the level I'm playing off of. So that's what I'm looking for. That's the setup. And after I got stopped out the second time, same thing. But now, as seconds turn to minutes, all the action off the open, it's going to come to a point where it's got, we've got a defined range. What's going to happen? Are we going to push up from here and start a trend? Are we going to push down from, are we going to pull down from here and start a trend? Whether that trend is 6 minutes long or two minutes, or 3 hours, whatever it is. But push is going to come to shove soon. So, all this range off the open, all the volume, and all these emotions are going to come into play pretty soon. So as time progresses and seconds are turning into minutes, I'm seeing my trade develop, and now my conviction is rising because I'm thinking, we keep holding these, we keep pulling down sub 9. These nines, we can't stand up on 9. And as time progresses, that's telling me that I think I'm going to be right. I think there's a trade in here, and of course I want to respect my risk if I'm wrong. But that was the idea, and it worked out great. This was the bulk of my day right here on this trade. It was just really nice, really nice. Tried to hold it, but we got down to the 30s, and I think I covered the last of it at basically 8:30. But really nice from the 880s. It looks like mid 880s. Loved it. Great way to make my Friday, end the week, and that was that. And now I'm looking to just risk a portion of that throughout the day. Unless something really good shows itself, I'm not looking to give all that back. So we pop up, short it, pull down, cover it. We pop up, short it, we pull down, cover it. We pop up, short it, pull down, cover it. And then here I got stopped out on my remainder of it, and I got shaken out before this nice pull here. Otherwise, I was hoping we'd hit 20s, 820s there, but that didn't happen. So by that point, I was just like, oh, well, I missed it. I'm kind of done with this name for now. But then when I saw it, I went to go get some coffee, and I came back, and I see we're right down, big push right back up to VWAP. What a great short setup. What a great way to put some risk on. So I was right back in there. And with a bigger chunk this time, and looking to see what I can make on it. And again, I'm on it, but I want to be respectful. So it makes me feel warm, fuzzy, and comfortable when I see something that I want to put risk on, as long as I understand the potential that I could be wrong. I want to have my hard stop in place, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. That's it. That's fine. That's okay. I don't care. I tweeted today about being wrong, about failing and falling down. Great. I got some really good feedback on it. It seems a lot of people liked it, but there's like this fear. I get so many messages from traders, and it's like there's this wide fear about being wrong, and I just I'm kind of rambling, but I just want to quickly address that and say, kind of like my tweet was saying, it's just like there's nothing wrong with being wrong. You can't, if you're not, you got to be able to risk to get somewhere, especially in trading. And I just really think failure should be taught in the education system. I feel like it's up to the parents, and I got a 2-year-old, and I'm certainly teaching him how to fail proper in my mind. Failing's okay. Being wrong is fine. Staying wrong, that's not okay. But failure is one of the greatest forms of learning. So anyways, check out my tweet if you haven't. But more than ever in my life, I've never been more excited to take losses and be wrong. I could care less now. And it puts me in a very clear way. It gives me a clear platform to think off of, because if something works, great. If it doesn't work, great. I don't care. It's not about winning. It's not about being right. Hold on. Anyways, yeah, it's just, anyways, that's my thoughts on failure. A little more thoughts on it. So, this is a great short right here off VWAP, pull down, and I got some more pennies to add to the today's purse. Not complaining, but I did end up missing this nice fade here. I did end up having to do like a daycare run and hang out with my kid, which I love to do on the daily. But yeah, so that was AQRL. Congrats to those that hit that today. That was a real nice trader. Nice big float there. Not a nice big float, much thinner float is our good old friend BYND, our good fake meat friend. I mean, what a run today off the open, man. What a trend. Just I think a lot of shorts are just smacking those offers trying to get out of the way. So I had some nice shorts in here, but it was just very scalpy, nothing high conviction. Just looking to make my day a little bit sweeter on it. So shorts and covers, cuts. Let me short it here, try and play off this level. Nope, that was really wrong. Let's try and find the downturn here, short and cover some, just keep doing that. Short, cut, try and find, here, hit the top, cover some, miss out on some action. It's just really, really good way to pad the profits for the day. And that was my play on that. I didn't have any high conviction on it, so I missed a large part of these moves. But it looks like it ended up trending really nice for the rest of the day. You could see this setup here. We had some rising lows here, higher lows here, higher highs. Until we got here, we had a really nice pull with some volume coming in. So I was looking to play off the bounce here. Once we bounced off that, and I thought, well, I'd play off these lows. If they failed, right here, there'd be a good trade in it. And I was right. There was a good trade in it. I just didn't have the right patience in mind for that trade. But I was mostly checked out at this point and just like I said, wrapping up my week. Just I saw something and played it. But anyways, nice trading there. For those that caught that, I was just scalping it. Chewy IPO today. Man, these IPOs have been nuts lately. I mean, Fiverr just yesterday, Chewy today. This is crazy. I tried to, let's see. Why aren't we backing up here? Not sure. Here we go. Oh, probably at the beginning. No. Not sure why I'm, oh yeah, not 6:30 in the morning. Okay. Or 9:30 New York time. Okay, yeah. So I started trying to, I'm not sure if this is the beginning of the, oh, there we go. Yeah, so we pushed up here. I've tried to play off, some candles I'm seeing, but got some ads in there. It looked like it might roll over, but no, I cut it. It took some small losses on it, and like I said, I was gone later on, and man, did I miss what a sweet fade for IPO day on this thing. Really nice. Not sure why we're not backing up here, but oh, there we go. Really nice fade all the way down to 33, at least for what I can see. But yeah, so hopefully everyone stayed safe on that. You weren't expecting like another repeat of Fiverr completely, but really nice jog and fade. Staying under VWAP. But that's it for today. Oh, what else? ARQL, BYND, Chewy, Fiverr. Yeah, Fiverr. Day 2, really nice fade. I didn't end up touching that today. Really nice jog off the push and fail for the short. Green red here. Nice level to play off of. But congrats to those that took that too. But hope everyone had a good Friday, good into the week, and I'll just wrap this up and say thanks for checking it out. We appreciate all your support here at 7 Points, and enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.